Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how you can utilize Shodan search feature. So when you give the command Shodan search, this command lets you search the Shodan database and view the results in a terminal in a more friendly way. So you can just simply type Shodan search -h to get the help menu and you will come to know the usage. So it is the practical time and let's see how you can utilize this particular command. So I'm going to simply type Shodan quickly and search space -h to see how can we utilize this particular command. As you can see, you can specify the color as well, or you can specify -- no color. You can give the fields. This is the list of properties to show into the search results. You can limit your search results by giving -- limit. You can also add a separator between each properties of the output that we are going to get, and -h to give the same output that we have got right now, which is the help menu. All right, so we are going to search about SSH and hit enter. So with this particular command, when you run, you will see a friendly output as well as more details about the specific search query that we have performed. As you can see over here, this is the IP address, this is the port number, this is the host name that we have got, and this is more details about that particular SSH version. This is the banner that we have grabbed with the help of Shodan. As you can see, this is the second one, second IP address, the port number, and again the banner grabbing that has been performed, which shows the fingerprint details, the algorithms which are being supported and are being used. If you just scroll down, then you can see more results and you can keep on scrolling to see the number of results. You can also limit the results based on the -- limit flag and you will get specific set of results. So this way you can use the search feature and you can get the results from Shodan for your penetration testing or your hunting methodology. Now if you want to come out of this particular window, you just have to press Q, which stands for quit, and you will automatically come out of the search feature from the Shodan database. So I hope you guys understood this video. Thank you.